Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how we can reuse our old candles and the leftover candle pieces to make a beautiful decorative candle for your parties and functions. First of all, we need to have a container like this which is made up of hard glass, and you can either use this one or a cylindrical one, and if you want to buy that, please check my description and the link is over there. And the next thing what we need is candle, and you can use broken pieces of candles or the leftover lumps of the candles from the candle holder or something. And then you need crayons, oil based crayons, and that's for coloring purpose. And then you need a wick or a cotton thread, and you can buy any of these things through my link on the description box below, and it's the shop from where I brought all these things, and you can check that out also. First of all, we need a pan filled with water, and we have to place that on fire so that the water is boiling nicely. Then we need a small pan, and make sure that that small vessel is not used for cooking because we are going to melt wax on that, and we are going to double boil a wax now. So we have to add the wax in smaller pieces as we can. If you can carve that out or grate the wax, then that will be more better. And then you have to take a single color crayon, and then you have to break that into small pieces. And if you want, you can easily just grate these crayons also, and you have to put that also in the same small vessel, and we have to wait for just 5 to 10 seconds. And when the water boils up, these wax and the crayons also get melted. Our first wax and the first crayon have almost melted up, and you can see there is a orange color of liquid inside a small vessel. So now I'm going to transfer this thing into a small bottle before this becomes solidified. So I'm going to transfer this into a glass bottle. See, I have transferred that as a base layer, so I'm having a base of orange layer. Now I'm going to add more wax and a different color of crayon. So I am adding red color crayon, and I'm also going to add some wax onto that, and let's wait for again 10 seconds till this thing also melts up. So the second wax and the second color have also melted up, and we are going to transfer that into the bottle. And make sure that you are holding the bottle in such a way that if you're going to tilt it to one side, you get the color and the wax deposited on that side, and if you're going to change the side, then you get a kind of design kind of accumulation of this wax. So I have tilted it to one side so that I get a red color at one end only, and so I can make a design out of this. See, I'm tilting it to just one side so that the wax is getting solidified in a single side. Next, I have added my wick also onto it, and I am in the background melting the green color also. Now I have added the green colored wax also. So I have purposefully added some green colored wax onto the walls of the container also, so I get a different design. You can try out any kind of design with these waxes, and I have just ended up with these 3 colors. You can add many more colors. You can even add till the end or the brim of the bottle. And this is my candle, and if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and for more videos like this, please also click the bell button. Then only you will get the notifications of my channel. I hope you like my video. See you in my next video. Till we meet again, it's me Sharon. Bye.